Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the HTML tag in Google Search Console. The HTML tag is commonly used to verify ownership of your website in Google Search Console. To get started, head over to Google Search Console and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, click Add Property and enter your website URL under the URL prefix option. Then click Continue. On the verification screen, you'll see several verification methods. Locate and expand the HTML tag option. Inside, you'll find a meta tag provided by Google that contains a unique verification code for your website. Simply click Copy to copy the HTML tag. You can then paste this tag into the head section of your website's homepage code. After adding the tag, save your changes and make sure the website is updated. Then return to Google Search Console and click Verify. If the tag has been added correctly, Google will verify your website ownership immediately. And that's it for today's video. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.